Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen gestures in this device. So for this, go to settings, then scroll down, tap on additional settings, then tap on system navigation. Then here you can see the option gestures. To enable the full screen gestures, select the option gestures. If you want to learn how to use these gestures, then you can learn, otherwise cancel it. Now you can see the navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab. So let me show you how to use this one. If you want to go directly to the home page, then swipe up from here. Like this, you can see directly go to the home page. To go to the recent applications, swipe up from the bottom and hold it. To go to back page, swipe inverse from the right side or swipe inverse from the left side, you can see. Okay. Again, I will show you. To go to recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to home page, swipe up from the bottom tab. To go to back page, swipe inverse from the right side or left side. If you want to switch between the recently opened applications, so let me show you what are the recently opened application in this device. You can see these are the application. So if you want to switch between the recently opened application, swipe right or left at the bottom tab like this. You can see easily you can switch between the recently opened application. So simply in this way you can enable and you can use the full screen gestures in this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.